I'm sure you've heard the news. Cheese and charcuterie boards are the ultimate crowd pleasers. Let's dive into crafting one that's sure to impress. First up, the cheeses. Go for a mix of textures: creamy brie, sharp cheddar, and aged Gouda. These will give your board a delicious variety. Next, the meats. Arrange some prosciutto, salami, and chorizo around the board. Fold or roll them for a fancy touch. Now let's add color and crunch. Fresh fruits like grapes and figs plus dried apricots will make your board pop. A handful of almonds, walnuts, and pistachios add the perfect crunch. Don't forget the extras. Small bowls of olives, pickles, honey, and fig jam are must-haves. Place them near the cheeses and meats for easy pairing. Finally, surround your masterpiece with slices of baguette and a variety of crackers. Add a garnish of fresh herbs or edible flowers for that elegant finish. And there you have it. Your perfect cheese and charcuterie board is ready to impress. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and entertaining tips. Thanks for watching, and happy entertaining!